Today we're opening a package from Choose and Keeping. The absolute magnitude of items in this package was such an amazing surprise. I was only really expecting one thing to come, which I'll point out in a bit, but the team over at Choose and Keeping really spoiled me this time. Thank you again so much for the package and for such a lovely note that was included inside. Choose and Keeping is my favorite independent shop that holds a curation of rare art supplies, stationery, and just really fun, unique objects. And I've been a longtime customer of theirs, so I'm excited to see the growth of unique art supplies that have been rolling into their selection. So diving right in, the first item I pulled out is this beautiful 5-tiered palette made in Japan that is designed specifically for Nihonga painting. I was so thrilled to receive this. I'm such a sucker for ceramic palettes, and this one is so unique. I've never seen a ceramic palette like this. This type of stacking palette is perfect for mixing and making paints, like I showed in my recent paint making video. This next one might be one of the most beautiful objects I own now. So invented in 1873 by Sir William Crookes, this glass light mill is also known as the Crookes radiometer, which contains a set of vanes that rotate when exposed to light. It rotates faster with greater light intensity, and the light blue sheen of the glass adds such a beauty to the light that's reflected off of the glass. So this one is the item that I was really only expecting in this package. So many people have been requesting more paint making videos since my last one, so I'm partnering up with Choose and Keeping again to create paints with their Saiundo Kyoto Nihonga Mineral Pigment Blue Iris set. I am so excited about this set because blue is my favorite color, and this set contains such a rich variety of blue hues and also contains a couple of vials of like greens and purples, and also a vial of gold pigment that I'm super excited about. The color selection was inspired by the color of irises, but I'm so excited to use these paints for all types of drawings. The accompanying brush is called the Saiundo No. 3 Saishiki Sable brush and is made in Kyoto. The handles of the brush are made from bamboo reeds which hold natural bristles. The brush hairs have medium resistance, so it holds water and paint really well, which is great for laying down large areas of color. So I'm so excited to use this brush with the new pigments. Next, we have this assorted pack of 20 handmade acid-free museum grade paper. I really love the tones of these papers. It's very earthy and neutral. The paper is made by using recycled leftover cotton linens from textile industries that also aren't bleached or boiled afterwards, which makes this paper wonderfully sustainable and environmentally conscious. I'm absolutely in love with the texture of this paper too. The small pad of paper is made with the same method as the previous set of papers. It comes with 6 different shades, and I've been loving painting on the various tones that are included in this pad. Later on in this video, I'll paint on the darkest tone paper so you can kind of see how it reacts to the paint, but it's absolutely beautiful. Then we have a set of drawing inks. These are made in the UK by 2 artists, and the 2 colors I received are mahogany, which is made from wood stain and preservatives, and Kendall green, which is made from Dryer's broom and indigo. These inks are made with bare bone ingredients that really avoid an oversaturated look that a lot of commercial inks might have. These colors are just more earthy, down to earth, definitely unusual and unique, but they are really beautiful for calligraphy and painting. Alright, so these Abraxas inks absolutely feed into my love for that dark academia aesthetic. These inks are made in Basel, Switzerland by a very small team and are packaged with cork, painted labels, string, and wax seals. These inks are incredibly dreamlike, evoking really magical energy. It really feels like I own beautiful potions or something. Next, we have this little box of assorted charcoal sticks. I actually don't have a ton of experience with charcoal, so I'm really excited that I have these to experiment with now. These charcoal sticks come in a really bright, fun red matchbox container, and the willow sticks deliver such a deep, rich black. Okay, I'm so excited about this pencil sharpener. I've been using this really old one for a long time that doesn't really work too well anymore, but this pencil sharpener is so nice. It has 5 different sharpness settings, so it's great for artists who want to control how sharp or blunt they want their different drawing utensils to be. I've been keeping this at my desk at all times since I've received it, and it's so great and so refreshing compared to my last one. So they sent over a ton of different pencils and pens that I'm psyched to experiment more with, but the ones that I'm really excited about include this pencil that has a blue and a red tip that I'm going to be using a lot for sketching. Then there are these charcoal pencils that have aluminum caps on them. I've actually been using these a lot for my really rough sketches, and the caps have been a lifesaver in my pencil pouch. So this item I actually purchased from Choosing Keeping a while ago as a gift for my friend who loves scissors, so I was really surprised to see it in this package too. I remember buying this back then because I thought it was so cool how flat and portable the scissors were. Definitely super unique. It comes in a really nice brown card sleeve too. Finally, they included this platinum carbon desk fountain pen that has actually been on my art wish list for years probably, so I'm so happy to own it finally. I love this pen because this pen is waterproof, so it doesn't bleed when I apply watercolor washes over it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date on future videos coming out, including the next paint making video that I'm so excited to release. Follow me on Instagram and make sure to go over to the description box to find all of the links to the items shown in this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.